Hi, my name is Michael and I'm the Shop Geek, and welcome to our budget series, or doing things for free because we have no money. Today we're going to do a quick tip on how to wrap up cords for things like speakers or extension cords. If they're a small cord, you can use a toilet paper tube, and all you need for this is a pair of scissors. So I'm going to cut a couple of notches in the tube at both ends. I'm just going to bend these down like this. I'll make this one a little bigger. There we go. So you have a tube that looks something like this. I'm also going to put one notch in this end and one notch in this end to hold the wire from slipping. So we start near the speaker in this case. I'm going to bring it from the outside to the inside of the tube, and then I'm just going to start wrapping the wire. Once you're near the end, simply pull the wire back through the other cut that you made, and your speaker's ready for storage.